friend Schaefer from AIReal Yoga. The following is a video for reference only. Please make sure to follow all safety instructions. If you have any questions, do not guess. Safety is of our utmost priority. Please contact us at info@airialyoga.com. Do not wait. Elevate, alleviate, exhilarate.
I bring the hammock over to the rig and place the ladder. I step up, open the carabiner with one hand and attach it to the swivel. Always triple check your carabiner by clicking the lock 3 times. Pull down evenly on the sides of the hammock and check the height. This seems a little too high. So we'll grab the ladder and lower it down. Adjusting and loosening the sides and being able to pull to create shorter tails, which allows the fabric to come down lower towards your hips. Here we can make the adjustments to the fabric and tie knots on either end. Just simple knots to get the fabric out of the person's face and helps to create a nice clean look.